I have completed this course recently. It's data analysis, and using Excel and all things. In this course, you have given Python Advanced, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, EDA, and all. And in the end, you also learn how to do cold emailing and how to form a good resume, which is ATS approved. So they have given a format also. It's a lovely course and it's very cheap also. It's very affordable and they are giving a lot of things in that amount is very amazing. So I loved this course and I have completed this course and I have applied one or two places. I think I might get it and I loved this course and it's fabulous course and it was worth buying it and yeah, I loved it.